In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the API Explorer on the iPOSpays Developer Central. To get started, visit docs.ipospays.com. Open the API documentation for the API you want to integrate. Click API Explorer. This section lets you test the API in the sandbox and production environments. If you wish to test the endpoint in a different language, you can do that as well. The API Explorer lets you test individual API endpoints directly from the documentation. Select the endpoint you want to test from the drop-down menu. On the left side, you can enter the header parameters. Just below that, you can enter the body parameters in Form View or Code View. If you scroll down towards the bottom of the page, you'll find additional options that you can test. If you'd like to send Level 3 Visa CEDP tags, you can test those here as well. And if you scroll down, you'll find options to personalize the transaction and add reference tags. To run an API endpoint, scroll back up and click Run. A response will be given in the box here.